Did you know that the air inside your home can be up to 5 times more polluted than the air outside? Crazy, right? Well, that's why today we're diving into the best indoor plants that can help clean up that air and make it a whole lot fresher. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about something super important for your health and well-being: indoor plants. Not only do they add a pop of green to your space, but they also help purify the air. So, if you're looking to breathe easier at home, stick around because I have some fantastic plant recommendations for you. So, let's get real for a moment. Indoor air pollution isn't just a fancy term, it's a genuine issue that affects many of us. Dust, pet dander, mold, and even chemical fumes from household products can linger in the air, and over time, they can really take a toll on your health. Symptoms like headaches, fatigue, and respiratory issues can arise, and nobody wants that. The good news is that there are simple ways to combat this problem, like inviting some green friends into your home. Let's explore how indoor plants can step in and make a difference. Alright, now that we've set the stage, let's talk about some specific plants that are known for their air purifying abilities. First up, we have the spider plant. This beauty is not only easy to care for, but it's also great at removing toxins like formaldehyde and xylene from the air. Just give it a little indirect sunlight and water it when the soil feels dry, and you're good to go. Next, let's chat about the snake plant, or as some like to call it, the mother-in-law's tongue. This plant is a champion when it comes to filtering out airborne toxins. It's super low maintenance, it thrives on neglect, making it perfect for us. Plus, it converts CO2 into oxygen at night, so it's like having a little air purifier while you sleep. Lastly, we can't forget about the peace lily. Not only does it have gorgeous white blooms, but it's also fantastic at absorbing harmful chemicals such as ammonia and benzene. Just keep it away from direct sunlight, and it will flourish, bringing you cleaner air and a touch of elegance. Now, let's get to the good stuff, the top 3 indoor plants that provide the most significant air cleaning benefits. At number 1, we have the peace lily. As I mentioned, it's a powerhouse when it comes to purifying air, plus it's stunning to look at. In second place, we have the snake plant. Its resilience and air cleaning abilities make it a must-have in any home. And finally, at number 3, we have the spider plant. This one is perfect for hanging baskets, and its air purifying prowess is just the cherry on top. By adding these 3 plants to your home, you're not just beautifying your space, you're actively improving the air quality too. So, there you have it. Indoor plants are not just pretty decorations, they play a crucial role in promoting cleaner air and better health. By incorporating plants like the peace lily, snake plant, and spider plant into your living space, you can breathe easier and enjoy a healthier home environment. To hear from you. What are your favorite indoor plants? Drop your recommendations in the comments below. And if you want to learn more about plant care tips, don't forget to check out my next video. Thanks for watching, and happy planting!